Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term queef. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, queef is a sound caused by air trapped and released in the vagina during movement. People use it when something funny or embarrassing happens, especially during exercise or intimacy. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. Queef first showed up in the 1930s as a humorous onomatopoeia. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among younger people and internet communities. Now let's check out how to use queef in a sentence. Correct example 1. She laughed when a queef interrupted their yoga session unexpectedly. Correct example 2. Did you hear that queef while we were working out? And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said queef at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using queef right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. Queef means a sound caused by air trapped and released in the vagina during movement. It started in the 1930s, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with queef in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.